So this is what I designed in here, and it's pretty simple. You go into a program called Tinkercad. You get a text box, you can just put whatever you want in there, and then you can put these things in here, and you take a square and you bring it over here, stretch it out to whatever you wanted to do, change it to whatever, or just delete it. So that's Tinkercad. It's online based. That's not too bad. And then you save it as the STL file. Go in here, open it up in your slicer, flash it to your card, start printing.